drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby is...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Ria and According to Ria. So this is going to be the start of a new vlog. So before we even get started, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to your girl so that we can grow. I am currently, because I do have hella stuff to do when I get back home. I have 2 finals and a Hesse, so that's fun. Can't really chill. My wig, y'all, she came out so cute. I'm still debating if I want to do baby hairs, so she's not like done or anything. So we're going to get sushi later on today, so I will see you guys later.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me.
Okay, so I got the crunchy eel roll, which is eel, cream cheese, avocado, panko tempura, and eel sauce. Then I also got the Las Vegas roll, which is smoked salmon, cream cheese, avocado, tempura style eel sauce. This is the roll. It looks nasty, but it's so, y'all, it's so fresh and it's so good.
I feel it.
The crunchy eel. So this is the look. I'm gonna show your face. This is my sister, guys. All right, so let me show you the fit. So I got on the sweater, a black skirt, and my socks. And then what do you have on?
Oh wait, hold on, let me
Girl. All right, and she's got on this cute little floral dress. And then for the shoes. Ew. All right, so we're about to go eat for the second time today. So I just sprayed my hairline with a little bit of Godspeed glue because there was a little piece that lifted up. So I'm gonna have that marinating. I don't really know how to do crimps. I don't know if you should layer the hair or what, but this is how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so this is where we are. It's not perfect, but I've never done crimps before, so it's good enough. We're gonna move on. Okay, so I got these today. These are the Salon Perfect Pre-Perm Push-Up. These are kind of cute. I don't know if they're like thick enough. Can you see? And then I also have these that I got. I low-key might wear these. Yeah, they're giving a little bit more. I don't even know if you can see them. I think I'm gonna go with these.
overnight. You out of sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See,
Hi guys, so I'm filming on my iPad because my phone just died. My mom gets off in a few, so I told her that I would, well, she asked me to put up this Christmas tree and then I forgot. So we got a 3 feet. It was 20 bucks. All right, so I'm putting the Christmas tree right here. This is also like the little cat's corner. Like you can see, I think I'm gonna move this, maybe not. I think I might actually put the tree on the counter because I feel like the cats are gonna be messing with it. So I'm gonna put it up there, but I'm gonna put it together down here, yeah. This is Ria and this is Accordingtoria. I'm back home and it's time to get back to it because I'm still in school. I have 1 week left. I have a test on the 7th and I have a test on the 8th, and these are not just any old tests, they're finals. So the bulk of today is gonna be my peds studying.
a sub is a guy that thinks he's flying this, also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no,